Thanks for tuning in. Today I will show you how to create this icon of an image file in Adobe Illustrator. So we will start by creating a rectangle. So let's go over to the rectangle tool and then click and drag to create our basic rectangle. Now we need to create a triangle. So I'm going to go over the rectangle tool and click and hold. Then select the polygon tool and again click and drag. If you see more size than 3 to your polygon you're currently creating, you can adjust the number of those sides by pressing the up or down arrow on your keyboard. And it needs to be done while still holding down your mouse when creating the polygon. So we are at 3 now, which is what we need, and I'm going to hold down the shift key and then release to create the triangle. I'm going to position it approximately over here and make it half as tall as the rectangle, like so. And then we need to stretch it out so that this left side of the triangle touches the left side of the rectangle. So I'm holding down Alt to make it expand to both sides, to make it symmetrical. And this looks good. And we need to do a second triangle, so I'm going to select this one and then click and drag to create the second one. Good. This one will be a little bit shorter. So let's say around here, and perhaps maybe make the triangles a little bit narrower. So I'm going to now duplicate the rectangle 2 times. So I'm going to select the rectangle and then go to Edit, Copy, and then I'm going to go to Edit again and paste in front and paste in front again. Now I will select the first rectangle and the first triangle, go to Properties and select under Pathfinder, select this icon, intersection, and then do the same thing to the second one. Great. Now I need to select the bottom side of this triangle, so I'm going to select it, bring it to front, and then select Direct Selection tool, click the bottom side, delete. And once we are done with this, I'm going to select this anchor and move it over so that it intersects with the second triangle, like so. Good. So now it looks like it looks as if the second mountain was behind the first mountain, which is the desired look. Now we are missing just the sun, or the moon for that matter. I'm going to go over the polygon tool again and switch it to the ellipse tool. Then click and drag to create our sun. Let's align it and use Shift plus arrow keys to move it symmetrically from each edge. Good. I'm also going to remove the unnecessary sides to these polygons. Again, bring to front, object arrange, bring to front, then Direct Selection tool, select the bottom part, delete, and also this anchor point, and delete. The same with this rectangle, with this polygon, with this mountain, delete this one, delete. Cool. Now let's make the lines a little bit thicker, so let's say 25 and make some rounded joints, and also around these corners, these top of these mountains. So I'm going to select the one mountain, then press A, and then click and drag this little circle to make those corners around it. The same with the second one. Good. And make the corners of the main rectangle a little bit more round. So let's set it to 10, or maybe perhaps 50. And I think that's it. We are done here. Thanks for tuning in, and I will see you in the next one.